Maravich instead of the nearest scorer. The highlight of that year was when the Pistol dropped 68 points on the New York Knicks. At the time, it was the most points ever scored by a guard in NBA history. Remember, this was at a time when there was no three-point line, and this guard dropped 68 points. With the distance he had on many of his shots, he easily would have scored into the 70s if he had a three-point line. This also makes you wonder how many points he would have averaged that season and in his career if many of his baskets were worth 3 points instead of 2 points. Maravich was a force, but unfortunately, due to some consistent knee issues, Pete's career was cut very short. With his scoring and assists, he should be much higher on the all-time list, but he only played 658 games throughout his career. That's essentially only 8 full seasons of basketball, yet despite that, he still had 5 All-Star appearances and made 4 All-NBA teams. His final season was at just 32 years old. It was the 1979-1980 season, which was the NBA's first ever season with a three-point shot. He was well past his prime at this point, and the knee issues were laboring him throughout the year and caused him to miss many games. Despite the sample size, he still made 10 of his 15 attempts, which is a remarkable 66%. One can only wonder what his career percentage would have been if the three-point shot had always been available to him. He played his final games coming off the bench as an offensive spark for the Boston Celtics, who were led by Larry Bird in his rookie campaign. For the Pistols' career, he averaged 24.2 points, 5.4 assists, 4.2 rebounds, and 1.4 steals on 44% shooting. His 24.2 points per game average is the 18th highest career average in NBA history, and is the 7th highest average by a guard. This man's career was quite short, but it still left quite an impression on many other greats. All-time legend Elgin Baylor said this of Maravich: "Oscar Robertson was the best guard I've ever played against. Jerry West was the best I've ever played with. Pete was the best I've ever seen." Years after his retirement, Maravich did lots of soul-searching before giving his life to Christ and becoming a Christian. Just a few years before his death, Maravich said, "I want to be remembered as a Christian, a person that serves Jesus to the utmost, not as a basketball player." And that brings us to January 5th, 1988, in Pasadena, California. At Pete's church, he was playing a pickup game with his friends when he collapsed and died due to a heart defect. He was only 40 years old, and he was playing the game he loved. So just how good was Pete Maravich really? Well, he was one of the hardest workers ever, one of the greatest passers, one of the greatest ball handlers, and one of the greatest scorers, which altogether makes him one of the greatest guards of NBA history. Let me know in the comments section where you rank Pete Maravich among the greatest guards of all time. Who's he better than, and who's better than him? Make sure to like and subscribe for more NBA content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hello from Iceland. I'm Guðmundur, and this is Jón, and this is Skier. You might be asking yourself, Skier, that sounds weird, doesn't it? Well, if you think something deliciously smooth, not too sweet, with lots of protein is weird, then yes, it's weird. Or very weird. So say hello to the one with a weird name, less sugar, and more taste.
Hey, I'm Fran from World Market. Since a lot of our stores are now offering free curbside pickup, I thought I would show you how it works.
What's up, Fran?
And also do everything I need for my happy hour. Just got an email that my order is ready for pickup.
I got at least 4 more burps out of the smacks. Oh, he's smacking air into my stomach. got a couple more left. I can feel it.
If Pete Maravich hadn't played basketball,
Gone up over 5 minutes now.
Sleight of hand artist, either on the stage or at the gaming tables. He could make anything disappear, even basketball, with his lightning moves. Beyond his ball handling skills, Pistol Pete's shot was deadly accuracy, becoming the most prolific scorer in the history of college basketball. A goofy-eyed virtuoso, Maravich was born to entertain.
I don't think I can burp anymore. Just kidding.